If your knees hurt when you walk, stop, because chances are, you are causing the damage, not your age, not your genes. Today I'm going to show you 7 walking mistakes that are quietly destroying your knees, and exactly how to fix every single one. Walking is supposed to be the safest exercise you can do, doctors recommend it, trainers love it, and honestly, it's free, but here's what nobody tells you. Walking the wrong way is worse than not walking at all, and after 50, your knees simply cannot take the abuse anymore. The good news? Every single mistake I'm about to show you is 100% fixable. Let's get into it. Mistake number 1, taking steps that are too long. Watch how most people walk, they reach their foot way out in front of them with every step, like they're trying to win a race. That feels natural. It feels like you're covering more ground, but it is slowly killing your knees. When your foot lands too far in front of your body, your knee has to absorb a huge shock every single step. Think about it. The average person takes 6,000 to 8,000 steps a day. That's 6,000 to 8,000 hard impacts slamming into your knee joint. Over time, that wears down the cartilage inside your knee, the soft cushion that protects the bones. Once that cartilage is gone, it doesn't grow back. The fix: shorten your steps. Simple as that. Your foot should land right underneath your body, not out in front of it. A good trick is to walk a little faster with smaller steps instead of slower with big steps. It feels weird at first, but within a week, it becomes natural. And your knees will thank you immediately. Mistake number 2, looking down at the ground. The mistake. A lot of people over 50 walk with their eyes glued to the ground. Maybe it's a habit. Maybe it's fear of tripping. But when your head drops forward, your whole body follows. Your shoulders round. Your back curves. Your hips shift out of place. And guess where all that extra pressure goes? Straight to your knees. This posture is called forward head posture, and it's a silent knee killer. Your head weighs about 10 to 12 pounds. When it tilts forward just a few inches, it adds 40 to 60 pounds of pressure on your spine and joints. That load travels all the way down to your knees with every step. The fix: lift your chin. Look about 10 to 15 feet ahead of you, not at your feet. Keep your ears lined up over your shoulders. Imagine someone gently pulling the top of your head toward the ceiling. This one change alone can reduce knee pain for many people within just a few days. Stand tall. Walk tall. Mistake number 3, wearing the wrong shoes. This one surprises people. They think any comfortable shoe is a good shoe for walking. Wrong. Old worn-out sneakers, flat shoes with zero support, sandals, flip-flops, these are all slowly wrecking your knees. When your shoe is worn down on one side, your foot tilts. When it tilts, your ankle tilts. When your ankle tilts, your knee gets twisted with every step. It's like driving a car with a flat tire, you don't notice the damage right away. But it adds up fast. The fix: get shoes made specifically for walking. Not running shoes. Not fashion sneakers. Walking shoes. They need proper arch support, a small heel cushion, and a firm but flexible sole. A good pair costs between $60 and $120. That might sound like a lot, but it's a lot cheaper than knee surgery. Replace your walking shoes every 300 to 400 miles. If you don't track miles, replace them every 6 months if you walk daily. Check the bottom of your shoes right now. If one side is more worn down than the other, it's time for new shoes today. Mistake number 4, walking on hard surfaces all the time. Concrete, pavement, tile floors. Hardwood, these surfaces look fine. They feel fine in the moment, but they have zero give, zero cushion. Every step you take on concrete sends a full shock wave straight up through your foot, your ankle, and into your knee. After 50, the natural cushioning inside your knee joint gets thinner. That's just biology. So when you're pounding concrete for 45 minutes every day, you are grinding down what little cushion you have left. The fix: choose softer surfaces whenever you can. Grass is great. Dirt trails are excellent. A rubberized track at a local school or gym is ideal. Even a treadmill has more cushion than a sidewalk. You don't have to give up outdoor walks. Just be smart. Mix in softer surfaces whenever possible. Even walking on the grass strip next to the sidewalk makes a real difference. Mistake number 5, skipping the warm-up. Most people wake up, lace up their shoes, and just start walking. Cold muscles. Stiff joints. Zero warm-up. Then they wonder why their knees hurt. Here's the problem. When you wake up or sit for a long time, the fluid inside your knee joint, called synovial fluid, gets thick and slow. It's like cold honey. Your muscles are tight. Your tendons are stiff. And when you start walking hard right away, your knee is not ready. The joint grinds. The muscles pull unevenly. And pain follows. The fix. Spend just 3 to 5 minutes warming up before you walk. You don't need a gym or equipment. March in place for 1 minute. Do 10 slow leg swings on each side. Do 10 gentle squats, just halfway down, holding a chair if you need to. Walk slowly for the first 3 minutes of your walk before picking up your pace. That's it. 5 minutes of prep saves you years of knee damage. Never skip this. Mistake number 6, letting your knees cave inward while walking. This one is tricky because you can't see it without a mirror or a video, but it's one of the most damaging walking mistakes out there. When you walk, your knees should point straight ahead, in the same direction as your toes, but many people, especially after 50, let their knees drift inward with each step. This is called knee valgus, and it puts enormous twisting stress on the inside of the knee joint. It stretches the ligaments on the outside. It wears down cartilage unevenly. And it causes that deep, aching knee pain that so many people think is just part of getting older. It's not that it's a mechanical problem, and it has a mechanical fix. The fix. Strengthen your hip muscles, specifically your glutes and hip abductors. These are the muscles on the outside of your hips and backside. When these muscles are strong, they hold your knees in proper alignment automatically. Great exercises include clamshells, side-lying leg raises, and hip bridges. Do these 3 times a week. Also, while you walk, pay attention. Every few steps, check in, are your knees pointing forward or drifting in? Awareness is the first step. So let's recap the 7 walking mistakes that are destroying your knees. 1. Steps that are too long. 2. Looking down at the ground. 3. Wearing the wrong shoes. 4. Walking on hard surfaces all the time. 5. Skipping your warm-up. 6. Letting your knees cave inward. 7. Going too fast, too soon. Here's the truth. You don't have to live with knee pain. Most of the damage people blame on aging is really damage from bad habits. And habits can be changed, starting today. Pick one mistake from this list, just one, and fix it on your very next walk. Then come back next week and fix another one. In a month, all 7 will be second nature. And your knees will feel better than they have in years. If this video helped you, hit that like button and share it with someone you know who complains about knee pain. They need to see this. And subscribe, because every week I put out simple, no-nonsense health tips made specifically for people over 50. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of those knees.